Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And so today I'm gonna be making my herb infused oil that all skin type can use and all skin complexion can use as well. It's rich in nature with 4 different herbs. If you're new to this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button, turn your notification bell so you can always get my post whenever I upload. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining us in this video once again. I truly appreciate you and thank you so much for supporting me. So like I said, I'm gonna be using 4 herbs in my oil today, and the first herb I'm going to be using today is my rose petals. Rose petal is one of the most common herb in skincare and it's a very helpful herb. It has antibacterial properties. Rose petal also contain vitamin A and C, which is very helpful to the skin. Vitamin A can help to reduce aging. It helps to fight inflammation. It helps to fight redness and irritation on the skin. Rose essential oil, when extracted from the rose petals, are useful in fighting aging, and also the vitamin C helps to brighten the skin. Rose petal does a whole lot and is one very important ingredient I would recommend you add to your routine. So the next herb I'll be adding here is my calendula flowers, or calendula petals, calendula buds, whatever you call it. Calendula is a lot beneficial to the skin because it does not only contain antibacterial properties, it also contains antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties. Calendula also goes beyond to contain flavonoids and carotenoids. It's packed with lots of antioxidants and has been known to help to heal wounds faster. It helps to combat antibacterial infections, antifungal infections like ringworms, eczema, acne, whatever breakouts that you may want to have. It also helps to tighten the skin pores and help you to get a firmer skin. The next herb here is my chamomile buds, chamomile flower. It's kind of scattered here because I actually bought this directly from the farm. Yeah, I bought it directly from the farm, so it means it's 100% natural and organic. I actually bought all the herbs here from the farm, okay? Chamomile is a powerful antioxidant including phytochemicals and polyphenols. It helps to reduce aging. It helps to accelerate cell and tissue renewal. It also contains antibacterial properties. Most of all these herbs contains antibacterial properties that helps to fight any kind of bacterial infections that may want to come on the skin. One good thing about these herbs is that they help to fight the future breakouts. Not necessarily do they help to fight the breakouts already existing, but they help to prevent the skin from future breakouts, okay? And then my 4th herb here is my saffron strand. Saffron has been known to be one of the most expensive herbs in the world. Now my saffron is pretty scattered. Like I said earlier, I bought this directly from the farm, so but this saffron is very much okay. So saffron is a very powerful herb that helps to work against inflammation, hyperpigmentation, UV radiations. It contains vitamin A and manganese, which helps to strengthen the skin, fight aging, tone the skin a bit. Yeah, saffron has been known to be able to tone the skin a bit when used regularly, and saffron can be added to your diet as well. It helps to nourish the skin from the inside. Saffron is very beautiful herb that should be added to your routine as well. So here are my 4 herbs: the rose petals, the calendula, the chamomile, and the saffron. And so I'm going to be going in to add my oils. Firstly, I'm adding my sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is an oil that is non-comedogenic. That's one thing you have to consider when you're making such, because you do not know the product that you're going to be using them for. So non-comedogenic oils are one of the best choose in such productions. And when I say non-comedogenic, I mean light carrier oils that would not clog the pores. I also added sandalwood carrier oil here. I also added macadamia oil carrier oil here. It's actually lightweight also and does not clog pores. So I went in to fill my jar again with my sunflower oil. I thought I added rosehip oil to this even. Okay, so the video showed me that I didn't. In my mind I did actually. Okay, so I'm just gonna give my herb and oil a mix and then cover my jar, and then I'm going to shake this very well. Shake it so very well to give this a very fine mix. And afterwards I'll take it right out to the sun for the petals to be properly infused in the oil. If I'm to leave this in my space, I'm going to leave it for like 2 weeks or more. But if I'm to put it under the sun, I think by 3 days I should be having a good oil. So I think this is the first day under the sun, and then I left it till the next day, and then third day. I removed it from the sun in the evenings and I brought it back in the mornings when the sun was up. So I had a properly infused oil in 3 days. My 4 herbs were properly infused in my oil, and as you can see, the color changed from what it was to this kind of reddish color oil. And so please don't forget to shake at intervals while your jar sits under the sun. So at the 3rd day, I got my oil out and it was ready to be strained. It got really infused, as you can see from the petals down beneath that settled. If it had stayed more than this, it would have maybe started wearing out because it really got infused. And the petals has changed color, all the color have been infused into the oil. So I'm simply just gonna strain. I hope you have not forgotten to subscribe to this channel, and also you've given this video a thumb up. Thank you so much for all the supporting once again. And you can also go ahead to add any other herb that you want to add. You may not use just this for, depending on what you want to use with your oil afterwards. You can add lavender flowers, you can also add neem flowers, or infuse whatever what you want to infuse, okay? And so after infusing, my oil kind of had particles, hair particles on it, so I wanted to strain finely again. So I'm using a hand kerchief and then I'm straining once again. So like I was saying, you can infuse whatever herb you want to infuse depending on what you want to make with your oil. I'm going to be using this oil to make a face oil. In my next video, I'm going to be posting the face oil. This oil is already perfect. Yes, you can use this on your body just like this, but if you want to add more actives to it, you can do so just to enhance the potency of the oil. And I'm going to be making a face oil in my next video, and maybe I may want to do a body oil again with this particular oil, so you can stay tuned on my channel so you see how I'm able to make them. So this finely strained oil, you can see the color already. It wasn't like the light yellow color that we originally used for the infusion. If you're not going to be using this oil immediately, you can go ahead to add some vitamin E oil to help preserve the shelf life of the oil. Although the oil contains antioxidants, but it's important that you add your vitamin E oil. Now see our already made herb infused oil, beautiful as it can be. Please do give this video a thumb up. Subscribe to this channel, follow us on Instagram and on Facebook, where we dropped several tips and DIYs that are beneficial to the hair and the skin. Okay, so stay tuned on this video for the face oil, and I will certainly see you in my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe, and until my next video, take care and bye.